Hi everyone, I am Architect M, your new CAD instructor for CAD 11. For today's tutorial, we will be talking about Chapter 3, Part 2 of the Drawing Basics, which is Editing Tools. But before we proceed to the Editing Tools, let me introduce to you the customization of the Autocad workspace. So, as you may see, in the latest versions of Autocad, this is the Autocad interface, this is the model space, and your layout space. So, in the latest version, the Autocad Classic setting is no longer available. So, how do we customize the drawing space into an Autocad Classic like this one? So, balik tayo. Telegraphing in the annotation. First, minimize this ribbon, and then click here, show menu bar, and then go to Tools, Toolbars, Autocad, and the three things that you really need is Properties, Layers, and Dimension, but let's use DrawNet. Okay. Back to Tools, Toolbars, Autocad, Dimension, Layers, and Properties. So that's it. These are the essential toolbars that we need in Autocad, since Autocad is command-based software. So let's customize the drafting settings of this one. Right click and then options, display, colors, and I will change this. Color white, shade, layout, to black. Lagay ko lahat black. My block editor is this one, and so apply and close, and then I will go to the display and my crosshair 100. Drafting, for selection you might want to uncheck this one, apply. Okay, and F7, bring off. And then how do you save your workspace? Click here, save current as, and then the name of your workspace. That's it. That's how you customize your drafting and annotation or your workspace in Autocad. As the previous version of Autocad, the Autocad Classic. So now, let's proceed to the editing tools. Okay, let's move to the editing tools. First, let's draw a figure, 3x5 room, using rectangle dimension of 3x5. And then offset. The first command is offset. Type O, and then you put the dimension. For example, for the wall, it's 0.20. There, offset, and then click, and click. That's how offset works. Again, offset 1 meter. Again, offset 0.20. That's the offset command using the command O for offset. Next, we need to do set here 0.4 to make a door 0.8, and then use the trim command TR, and then click your reference for the cutting line, and then enter, and then click the object that you need to cut. Okay. Again, establish your cutting line, and then trim, TR, click the cutting line, and then the object you need to cut. Yep. Trim. So how do we do this one? Yes, you can achieve this image using the trim command. Like for example, this is 1 by 11. Okay, so what you need to do is REC and then D111. Then click. And then another command you need to use is copy. Copy. And then rotate. So from here, establish construction line 0.5 offset and then offset. So ganun. And then move. Ito. Another command is move. That's M. Move. And then command copy. Copy. And then copy. Yes. Okay. So this is a wheel. Trim command. Select the object. Trim. And then you start to delete the items you have here. There. Also here, sa move tool, if you need to move this one, select the object M, like that. And then if you need to copy this one, CO, click, and then flip. If you need to rotate this one, RO, and then click anywhere. Yeah. Scale tool. Scale tool is click ST. You want it bigger. If you know the units or the proper scale for this one is 2 times 2. That's this is 1 is 250. Trim tool. Offset, this is offset command, and then i-trim mo siya. Trim mo itong line na to. So, click mo yung cutting reference mo, and then enter, and then click the object. Easy trim. Delete. Yeah. Next is the extend tool. For example, itong line na to, pupunta na siya dito, may extension. So, you just need a reference and then extend X, TX for the command. Click the reference and then the line naman i-extend. Okay. Again, for example, ito. Line ka dito. And then you want to extend it to the other side of the wall. extend, click the reference, there, and click the line. That's for the extend tool. What about the fillet tool? So, for example, this is your line, polyline. Tapos yan, hindi siya tugma. But you want it to become a closed polygon. So, the command that you will be using is the fillet tool. F, enter, and then click, close, click, click. There. That's the fillet tool. Again. Fillet tool, F command, then click, Multiline. What if you want this side to be rounded edge, or it has a radius of 0.3? So use the fillet tool, F, enter, R, enter, and then 0.3 radius. Then click, and then click, and there we go. Check it. There's your dimension. So what about if you want this one to be 0.5 radius? F, enter, R, enter, 0.5. Click, click. That's perfect. What if you want this to its original? So use the fillet tool, click for F, enter, R, enter, 0. Okay, again, let's do the chamfer tool. So let's draw a square of the dimension of 12 by 12. Click. And then isi-chamfer natin ito. This side with a 2 by 2 distance. So CHA, enter, and then D for the distance of 2 and 2. And then click, click. And then ito, i-fillet natin ito ng radius ng 0.5. Fillet tool, fillet R, 0.5. Fillet R, 1. Next would be the mirror tool. Mirror tool, madali lang siya. So, for example, the other side is also a toilet and or a comfort room. So you need also water closet for this one. So use the mirror tool. So select the object, click, and then MI for the command. Select a reference line. Here. Mirror, and then move M. Move. What about this one? For example, outswing door. Mirror tool. Click the object, and then select a reference here up to there. Mirror. Let's copy this one, and we need to mirror this one. There. Mirror. Select a reference. There. That's your mirror tool. Now let's move on to the explode tool. So let's copy this one first. This is a block. It's a wheelchair block. So how do you use the explode tool in this one? Select the object and then X, enter. There. Already exploded. Now, how do you make a block? So let's transform this into a block. There are two options to transform this into a block. Two simple options. Select all, and then B, enter, and then name this block WC1 for example. And then use this. And then for the second option, select all, Ctrl X for cut, and then Ctrl Shift V for paste. There. That's the block. Now, let's move to the stretch tool. For stretch, just select this part, S, enter, and that's the stretch. Stretch. S, enter, stretch. There. Now let's proceed to the array command. First, we need the polar array. So we need to draw a figure here using an arc. Okay, and then I use the mirror tool. There. And then I will turn this into a block. And then array, AR, select the object, enter, and then polar, PO, enter, specify your center, and then click the item. If it says a particular number of items, and let's say 8. There you go. That's the polar array. Again, create this as a block, place it, and then array, polar, specify center, and then item 8. Yeah, that's the polar array. Next is the path array. So create line and then circle here, and then your circle will follow this path. So array, click here, and then path, select, there you go, there, the path array. And for the rectangular array, let's use a 2x2 square. Move it here, and then array, enter, rectangular, and then let's specify the columns in rows 2, 5, and 5. Columns, 5, rows, 5. There. That's your rectangular array. So again, let's create a 3x5 room using all the editing tools. So rectangle, dimension is 3x5. Specify this one, assign, and then offset. The thickness of the wall is 0.2. Move this one here, and then let's create an opening here. Offset 0.4, and then the opening of the door is 0.8. And then use trim for the opening. Click TR, trim command, and then click the section or the cutting line, and then enter, click, and then let's make a door. So this is 0.8, AC, then circle command, and then construction line, trim, and then recolor this one yellow, this one red, and then make this block. Cut, paste. Now rotate, mirror, and then move. There. Delete that one. What is move? Move natin ito. Lagyan natin ito ng polyline. Like that. And then use the fillet tool. F, enter. Para mag-close siya. There. Then let's move the door here. There you have it. This is your room already. Now, what if you want to add a tile pattern here? So, let's use the hatch tool. Hatch. The hatch is H, enter, and then you can choose your patterns here. Other predefined, herringbone layout, and then you can use this one. Fill it up. Adjust the scale. 0.5. There. Click OK. Another one is hatch. Use add objects here. Click enter and specify the origin. Isi-set mo kung saan magsisimula yung tiles mo, like for example this. And then preview mo muna and then okay. There. Okay. And you can delete. That's the hatch tool. What about the gradient tool? Andun din. Hatch command, H, enter, and then gradient. Tapos, click mo lang to. Yan, gradient. Now, let's proceed with the area. What will you do if you need to know the area of this figure? Area 2, area, and then click, trace it. There. That's the area of the figure. Or you can use but before doing that, make sure that the area or the figure you need to take the area from is closed polygon. So dapat naka-polyline for this one. You can use the list command, list, and then click mo lang ito. Then mag-a-appear yung area, yung length, and the perimeter. There. So how do you determine the area of this figure pag ganyan siya? So, madali lang. If it's closed polygon, that's the area. What if hindi siya closed polygon? What if kailangan mo siyang i-trace? So, use the polyline tool. Then tayong ibang kulay. PL, start the dip. Trace mo lang siya. Then, pag nandito ka na curve, A, enter. Pag ibabalik mo siya sa line, L, enter. And then, A again. L again. That's it. Then, list. There. So, if this is a polyline, how do you edit the thickness of this line? So, P, edit, enter, click the polyline, and then meron kang options dito. So you go with the width, and then for example 0.025, enter. That's it. The thickness of the polyline already changed. That's how you edit a polyline. Next is the Multiline Tool. ML, enter, and then justify. The justification, J, enter, Z, enter for 0, and then S, enter, and then the thickness of the multi-line, which is if you're going to make a wall, 0.20, enter. So this is multi-line. Again, ML, enter, J, enter, Z, enter, S, enter, 0.2. That's your multiply. Now after this, let's move to match property. What if you want this line, this polyline, this closed polygon to be of the same properties as this one? Match properties. MA. Match prop. Click this one and that's it. Already the same. That's match properties. Next is the divide command. So we are going to divide this figure into equal parts. So divide, say divide it by 5. Click segment 5. And then 3D mode 3. Yan. Yan siya. Yan yung division niya. So just need Infraction line. So that's trim. Click here. There. Divide. Next is the wipe out tool. Wipe out. For example, gusto mo dito, hindi nakikita yung grid. Wipe out. Here. See? Wipe out. Okay, let's introduce another command. Yung align command. For example, ito. This is 0.8. Pero yung door niya, kailangan 1 meter. So, PL. 1. So, ito, copy muna natin. Copy. Kaya align natin dito. So, click AL. Push the other side. And then yes. Now, dimension 1 meter na yung door. Another way to do the align tool, dito. I-align natin dito yung door dito sa angled part. Align. Ngayon, low naman. Yan. Tapos mirror mo lang dito. Ito na lang. Mirror. Tapos move. Here. Naka-align na siya. Pero, same pa rin yung dimension. So, what will happen if you choose yes dun sa align for this angled wall? So, let's try. So, select and then align. That's the reference. The next. Tapos enter and then yes. There. Lumaki yung door. So, hindi na siya same dun sa original size. There. So, undo muna natin. So, align. Select no. There. Align. Okay, let's recap. Chapter 3, Drawing Basics. Drawing Lines. So, L for line. And then PL for polyline. So, the difference between a line and a polyline is that polyline is better in drawing closed polygon, and you can edit it using edit, and you can adjust the width, edit the vertex, spline the curve, and so on and so forth. Next is drawing arc. So A, there, arc, or you can use the arc tool here and this start and radius. Next is your polygon. So polygon is POL, enter, and then number of sides, let's say 8. Specify center, inscribe. There, that's your polygon. So polygon 3. There, polygon. Next is drawing splines, and you can use splines in your topographic. Drawing your spline, STL, splines, off ortho mode, F8. There, spline. Then enter, escape. Drawing ellipses is EL, then specify. There, ellipses. Now move tool, let's move this ellipse. That's your move tool, M. Copy tool, CO, copy. Rotate, let's rotate this one, RO. Center, move. There. Scale, you can scale this one, SC. There. Or let's copy this one and then scale it into a bigger. SC. Center 2. There. Bigger ellipse. Trim tool, TR. Select. Extend tool. So move this one and then extend here. There. Extend tool. Fillet tool. Let's draw a polyline here and then let's fillet this object. Click, enter. Click, enter. That's fillet tool. Next is your chamfer tool. So CHA, T distance 1 and 1, select, chamfer tool. And then fillet radius, F, enter, R, enter, 0.5. There. Mirror tool, you need to mirror this one. MI, mirror. There. Mirror. Mirror tool. Explode tool, select the object and then X for explode. And then there. Stretch tool, so select the object S and then stretch. For erasing is E and undo is Ctrl Z.